Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your teacher Sidra Shaukat from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. How are you? I hope you and your family are quite healthy and safe. May Allah bless you and keep you away from all the problems and pandemic prevailing in this society. In the previous lectures, lecture number 11, we have learned the dictation, sentences and exercises of Unit 3, Tom's Parrot of your Oxford Reading Circle. I hope you have understood those exercises, sentences and dictations very well. In today's lecture, we will do exercise B on page number 19 of your Oxford Reading Circle. Page number 19 is the exercise B. It is an exercise of question and answers. Let's start. Before doing the exercises, I will tell you a short summary of the lesson. Tom's Parrot. Tom's parrot Polly flew away and sat on a tree. Tom called it many times, but it did not come back. Then Tom took a mango with him and called Polly again. When Polly saw the mango, it came back to Tom. Polly pecked the mango. Tom became happy and Polly was also happy. We have read this story many times. Now we have learned all the story. We know all the things in the story. Let's move ahead. Now you already know all this story. We have already done many exercises on this, but today we are going to do exercise B, which is given on page number 19. This exercise is about questions and answers. Look at page number 19. It's answer the following questions. And the question number 1 is, where does the parrot sit? Where does the parrot sit? The answer is, the parrot sits in a tree. As you all know, as you can see from the picture, and you have read all this already, that the parrot sits in the tree. Question number 2, what is the parrot called? What is the parrot called? And answer, you all know. What was the name of the parrot? Polly. Very good. It is called Polly. Question number 3. What does Tom want parrot to do? You know, what does Tom want parrot to do? Tom was sad. He was calling parrot again and again, but it was not coming to him. So the question is, what does Tom want parrot to do? Yes, very good. Tom wants parrot to come to him. What does Tom want? Tom wants parrot to come to him. Tom wanted parrot to come to him. Question number 4. What was the question number 4? The question number 4 is, why does the parrot not come the first time Tom calls him? Yes, why the parrot did not come the first time Tom calls him? What could be the reason? क्या वजह हो सकती है जो parrot पहले नहीं आ रहा था? Yes, very good. Because Tom has nothing to give him. Tom has nothing to give him. Very good. These were the 4 questions which were mentioned in your exercise, and you have learned the answers which you already know. Now we have a home task for you, and the task is revise these questions and try to find 3 more questions from the lessons with the help of your mother. ये वाले 4 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स तो आपने कर लिए हैं, लेकिन अब आपने ट्राई करना है कि आप लेसन्स में से कुछ क्वेश्चंस खुद से बनाएं with the help of your mother. For example, what does Polly like to eat? Mango. Very good. What is the color of parrot? Green. Very good. इसी तरह के कुछ questions you have to make on your own with the help of your mother and write down their answers also on your note. Thank you, students. Hope you have understood all. Stay blessed and safe at your home. Do more study and have more fun. Allah Hafiz.